gained muscle that day.
What's that?
All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA, Dr. Emer's office. Now we switched over to our FRAXEL laser. That's right, what we're going to do is work on some of the brown spots my beautiful patient has. What I'm going to do is work on both her face and her neck. Remember that we can't forget the neck when we're treating the face. We're going to make sure you guys remember that. I'm going to have you tilt up and to the left just like that. You can see she's already a little red, but that's because we did our pixel before this.
Turn the screen a little bit.
So we're going to go over, she's very, very comfortable. Remember, there's different ways we can make you comfortable in the office. Topical numbing. We also, in this particular case, did some nerve blocks to make her super, super comfortable. That's why she's a little bit swollen. Awesome, thank you.
All right, all of you guys joining us back again. Thank you for coming back on. Love to have you for our Friday night.
This is Lasers Fridays. Almost as good as Filler Fridays. This way. Alright now guys, remember this is a little bit spicy. But we're controlling the spice level by making sure we're catering to what she wants as far as pain control. So we've done nerve block. Now in this particular case, we're doing a combination treatment. We've done Pixel, we're doing FRAXEL, and now we're going to do a little bit of a stronger laser after all of this.
A very strong laser after all this.
A very strong laser.
Someone's saying, you are great. My plasma pen healed well. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Now, of course, when we're doing things like plasma pen or skin tightening, it's all about the skincare afterwards. And going to someone you trust. We're almost done with this side of her face. She's doing amazing. Now remember, we can use FRAXEL to treat several different things. We can either focus on pigment, or we can do texture. I love to use this on my acne scar patients, or we can do a combination of both. Where we do a little bit of pigment, a little bit of texture.
Just about every patient that comes in here always combines treatments. We usually never do a single treatment. It's always a combination to get the best results.
So this is our FRAXEL laser.
How long is the downtime of this?
So downtime for this can depend, right? We can do a shorter intensity if you want a lower downtime, anywhere between 1 and 3 days, or we can do a little bit more aggressive, and that'll give you anywhere between 3 to 5 days of downtime. Remember, we're combining treatments here to give you the most optimal results. And a part of that's going to depend, or are we just doing FRAXEL laser, or are we combining that with something else?
And if someone does want really low downtime, we can do a lesser setting that's not as aggressive.
That is 100% correct. So we can adjust this. If you have a fancy event you want to go to, but you still want to get your laser treatment done, we can still take care of you. We'll adjust the settings.
If you want a strong treatment, guys, we can pre-treat you with skincare. We'll do our pre-peels, our post-peels, and give you guys a much stronger treatment.
Once again, this can be a very quick laser in the office as well. As you can see, I'm working my way through different parts of her face. We've already done the right side of her forehead, the right side of her cheek, finishing up on her chin. And then once we get done her entire face, we're going to move over to her neck. She's going to heal beautifully from the combination of these lasers because she's going to be on the appropriate skincare. Awesome. Turn all the way to the right. Perfect. I'm going to do the left side of her forehead. What are they saying, Jordan?
how long does it last? And we have Nancy on here too.
Hi, Nancy.
So the techniques and technology used for cosmetic treatments is so fascinating. I can't imagine what the future will look like.
Oh my gosh, technology is just getting better and better. Right now we're doing the FRAXEL laser. We're addressing her sunspots on her face. What I typically recommend is you do a combination with this. We can combine this with other treatments, but for example, if you want to just do the FRAXEL laser, then I recommend you do 3 sessions, anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks apart. If you really want to erase those brown spots or sunspots, you can combine this with different things like BBL in the office, and combine this with other great skincare, which we recommend, that'll really help to erase some of your age spots. Now, I've already done the majority of her face. I'm going to move over to the left side of her face. Perfect, just like that. She's doing amazing. Now, this type of combination treatment on her, in combination with the other things that we're going to do in the office, will really kind of slow down the aging process, which is what we want. You guys will be able to follow along as she heals from this process of doing the combination of Pixel 8, FRAXEL. We're also going to do a really strong laser around her eyes and around her mouth. That's going to help to erase some of the fine lines and wrinkles and enhance the beauty she already has.
Alright guys, let's wrap up Misha.
Alright guys, I'm going to finish up doing this FRAXEL on her. We're going to be back once we do the next laser. Remember, FRAXEL is a combination. We can treat a combination of both sunspots, or we can do texture, or we can do both. Combine it with different treatments in the office to really take care of your skincare needs. You guys already know how to get in touch with us. Slide into DMs. It's Nisha the PA at Dr. Emer's office, and I can't wait to treat you in here, whether it's virtual or in-office consultation. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye, guys.